We'll guide you through how to practice Asana at home effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, you can start by setting up a dedicated project for your home practice. Click on the Create Project button, usually found on the left sidebar. Give your project a name, like Home Yoga Practice, to keep things organized. Inside your new project, add tasks that represent different yoga poses or routines you'd like to practice. For each task, you can add detailed notes or instructions to remind yourself of the correct form and breathing techniques. You can even attach reference images or links to instructional videos for each pose. Next, use the due dates feature to schedule your sessions. This helps in building a consistent practice routine. Set reminders for each task to keep you accountable. You can also make use of the priority setting to highlight poses you want to focus on more intensely. If you're practicing with a friend or a virtual class, you can share your project with them by clicking the Share button and entering their email. This allows you to collaborate and stay motivated together. For a more immersive practice, consider using Asana's calendar view to visually map out your sessions over the week. This way, you can easily see your progress and adjust your practice as needed. Remember to review your practice regularly and update your tasks with any new routines or poses you want to incorporate. Practicing Asana at home can be a rewarding experience when you have a structured plan in place. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.